Jaime Montejo, ISE 2020. I'm here for Newline. I want to introduce you to NAOS AP, our latest solution in the market, actually. Right now, this screen is a PCAP screen optical bonded without Android in it. So for enterprise security level, this is the best. You don't have any chance to be jailbreaked or hacked because there's no Android system in it. What we are doing now is from here, we are controlling a collaboration system. As you can see, we have a lot of applications, pictures, videos, everything. And with single touch, we can send it straight to another screen and use it. It's very simple, very collaborative, and it's great. If you want to know more about this, please visit our website, newlineinteractive.com, and you will find it. Thank you very much.